Welcome to uSkinned. In this video, learn how to install starter kits and themes on your local machine. By this point, you should have installed both Umbraco and uSkinned Site Builder. Jump down to step 2. You'll find the command prompts for all starter kits and themes. You can install them individually or all at once on a single project. Alternatively, you can head to the Starter Kits and Themes section of the uSkinned website. Here, you can browse and filter between all the options. Today, let's have a look at the Starter Kit Digital Agency. From its page, we can click to view a live demo. We can test it out across a variety of screen sizes. Once we're happy, return to the previous page. Below the demo button, we can copy the installation command prompt. Head back to Visual Studio Code, paste the command prompt and hit return on your keyboard. Installation will now begin. We can now run the project to finish installation. Once complete, follow the link provided and log in to the back office. And that's it. You've successfully installed a starter kit and theme on your local machine. But remember, don't stop there. This is just the start of your journey. Check out the next video to learn more about uSkinned.